So 4.0 was the number given in the 80s, right? And they still have that in place at this moment. That was they're like, oh, that is when you'll get skeletal issues, right? So skeletal issues will come around 4. Now, that's how the mainstream will tell you. No, actually, it was crippling skeletal issues where it was the most extreme version of it, where you're just hunched over. What happens? And they have not done real studies until recently, where they look at the long compounding effects of fluoride on your bones, and it makes your bones so weak that you actually begin to develop skeletal issues. So don't you think you should probably do long-term safety studies before you actually decide before you claim that there's a safe permissible amount? Because let me ask you a question. If high amounts do it, then wouldn't small amounts over long durations of time also do it?
No, it would not, because
Why not?
Fluoride actually, it doesn't stay in the system for terribly long. It actually has a relatively low half-life in the system. If you go fluoride free after about 24 hours, that's when you get the half-life. You're not going to detect much fluoride after that. Now,
your bones absorb it, though.
I know, yes, there is some absorbance to bone, because that's part of the process. That's part of the reason why it works in mineralization. It doesn't necessarily matter that much, because
how does it not matter? We're talking about its effect on bones over the course of time.
Right. Okay.